What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I've just switched to Airbnbs. Hello. Still in Nigeria for a few more weeks, and then I'm headed to Tanzania, to Zanzibar. But most of you don't give a shit, so let's hop into the analysis. I did a walkthrough of the Airbnb on my IG. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. I only have one Instagram. So we're going to go over our friend Gala, sitting at 0.026, down 5% on the day. Created the lower low that we were looking for. See, market cap up at 562 million. 24-hour volume back down to 57 million. Let's hop into the chart. So what we're looking at is we're looking for that lower low to complete the wave 3, and it looks like we're going to start pushing up in our wave 4. So what we're looking for is a wave 4 in between 0.026 0.028 before continuation down to complete this red 3, pull back into 4, complete the wave 5, and potentially end this pullback. So I'll show you the wave count zoomed out for the wave C. So far everything's been playing out to a T. So what we were looking at here, let me just use my brush. We came down in a wave A, we pulled back in a wave B, and we're coming down in the wave C. And within the wave C are 5 waves. So you have wave 1, wave 2, this was 3, 4. And right now we're coming down in that wave 5 into our target zone. And our micro counts here in red, wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in the 3, 4, 5. And right now I think we're pushing up in the sub wave 4, come down to the 5, complete the red 3, pull back into 4, potentially one more low. Just be cautious because we can reverse at any time. We actually just took a Gala trade in the Discord. So if you want access to that, you can have free access. I'll give you the information at the end of the video. Because we have strong bullish divergences on the RSI on the money flow. We came down to our target of 0.025. Now the 78.6% fib level for this wave 2 pullback is 0.21. I don't think we'll break any lower than that, but we can start to break out at any time. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at for our friend Gala Games, potentially coming down or pushing up in a wave 4, getting rejected, coming down wave 5, complete the 3, 4, 5, potentially take you down 0.022, 0.023. But if Bitcoin just starts to break out from here, it's a possibility. The DXY, in my opinion, looks like it's going to see one more leg up, which is negative for BTC. There's always a chance of a straight breakout, so just be cautious. We're in our pullback zone. You know, we've done everything we needed to complete the ABC. We have divergences. So, of course, straight breakout is possible. Sometimes these micro counts can be inaccurate. So just keep that in mind, all right, gang? If you got some value out of the video, smash the like button. If you want the 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, all you have to do, I just switched my internet connection here. Oh, here we go. All you have to do is sign up to Bit or Bybit and make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes, and then email me your sign up email, and you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, Mahado all plays. Also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you just want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Oh yeah, probably this camera angle with the way the camera is, it probably looked like I was just staring into the abyss the whole video. I'll stack my laptop up on some books so it's more level. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. $10 a month if you want direct access. Sign up through the Patreon. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.